Hi everyone, I am Rajitha, working as Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Technology. Today, we're going to see about heuristic search strategies in AI Fundamental. This topic introduces a small uh, way of problem solving in AI. Instead of checking every possible solution like in brute force search, heuristic search uses practical rules of thumb. These rules help computers find good solutions faster and more efficiently. It is not always about getting the perfect answer. It is about getting a useful answers quickly. That is why heuristic are widely used in AI for navigation, games and planning. Um, Search the foundation of AI problem solving. So in AI, most problems can be seen as a search moving from a starting point to a goal. For example, a robot finding the shortest path to its destination. These are two types of search methods. Uninformed search, which explore blindly without any extra information, and informed search which explore blindly without any extra information and informed search which uses prior knowledge or hints to make better decision. Heuristic search belongs to the second type. It uses intelligence to search more efficiently. And next is, what is heuristic? A heuristic is a guide that estimates how close we are to the goal. It helps reduce the time and effort required to find a solution. For example, in a map, the straight line distance between two cities is a heuristic that estimate travel distance. However, heuristic are not perfect. They trade accuracy for speed. The idea is to find a good enough solution faster rather than a perfect one slowly. So, key characteristic of heuristic search. Heuristic search has four main types: domain knowledge, efficiency focused, goal oriented, balanced strategy. Domain knowledge, it uses knowledge about the specific problem area to make smart moves. Efficiency focused, it saves times by avoiding unimportant paths. Goal oriented, it concentrates on route that seem closer to the target. And balanced strategy, it tries to explore new path while also refining known good ones. In short, heuristic search focus on being fast, practical and goal driven. So, five essential heuristic techniques. There are five main heuristic strategies used in AI. Best first search, A star algorithm, hill climbing, simulated annealing. So, best first search is picks the path that seems most promising. A star algorithm balance real cost and estimated cost to find the best route. Hill climbing always moves upward toward better solution. Simulated annealing sometimes takes a step backward to escape bad traps, and the genetic algorithm mimic evaluation to generate strong solutions. Each method has its own way of improving efficiency and decision making. So, best first search. This techniques works like a traveler choosing the road that looks best at every turn. It uses a heuristic function to evaluate path, stores options in a priority queue, and always expand the path with the lowest estimated cost first. The process repeats until the goal is found. However, if the heuristic is not accurate, the search can get stuck or loop around. So the quality of the heuristic is very important. So a search algorithm, uh, a star search is one of the most popular algorithm in AI. It uses a formula f of n equal to g of n plus h of n, where g of n is the cost from the start to the current point and h of n is the estimated cost to the goal. Together, they give f of n, the total estimated cost. A star is powerful because it always finds the shortest path. When the heuristic is correct, that's why it's widely used in GPS navigation and robotics path planning. Hill climbing algorithm. Hill climbing works like climbing a hill, always moving upward to search the peak. It continuously pick the move that increase the heuristic value. However, it faces challenges like getting stuck at local maxima, and ridges, flat areas. To overcome this, methods like stochastic hill climbing and random restart are used. These help the algorithm escape traps and try again from new position. Advantages and limitation. Heuristic search has clear advantages. It is much faster than stochastic search. It uses less memory. It handles large complex problems, but it also has limitations. It may not find the perfect solution. Its success depends on the heuristic quality. It can get stuck in suboptimal areas. Despite these issues, heuristic method are ideal when speed is more important than perfection. And the real world application is heuristic search is everywhere around us. In robotics, it helps with movement and obstacles avoidance. In games, it allows AI opponents to make strategies decision. In GPS system, it helps find the shortest route uh, considering traffic. In scheduling and optimization, it efficiently allocates tasks or resources. These examples show how heuristics make AI system practical, adaptive, and intelligent in real world conditions. This is the mind map for heuristic search strategies in AI.